Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today is our last full day. We have a sea day today before we head back to Galveston tomorrow morning. But we're actually starting out the day for breakfast at the Windjammer. And for actually our first time for breakfast at the Windjammer, and only the second time we've been here on a 7-night cruise. So let's see what we got. So I got a mountain of rice here with corned beef hash, sausage, hash browns, my favorite, bacon. Oh man, been eating light for breakfast the past few days, so going all out today. Claire's excited this morning.
I'm very excited. I've been really enjoying my bagels in the Park Cafe every morning, and I realized Michael hasn't gotten a hash brown yet, so we decided to come to the Windjammer on the last day, and they had gluten-free hash browns.
You do know that as soon as we walked away from them, they put out fresh ones.
Where are they?
We'll try
See
those.
how these are?
Yeah. But as soon as I took my last one, he took the pan away. And I was like, oh man, you're going to put new ones in here, aren't you?
It tastes good.
Still good?
It's not fully warm, but it still tastes good.
Oh, all right. Excited?
Very excited.
I don't even know what generation this is. What is it again?
Alpha?
Gen what?
Alpha?
I don't know. Let's see. Skibbity Sigma Riz.
I don't know if that's a Gen Z thing or not. I
don't
think
even
it's
know what
younger.
that means.
I think it's younger than Gen Z.
What did I call it earlier? Let's go look
Skibbity doodah.
Check it out. Got cupcakes. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. But they're going to have this out for the Veterans Parade. And if you didn't know, Harmony of Seas has a bionic bar, which is pretty cool. But we actually haven't used it on this cruise. So this is what we have in the Royal Caribbean shop. It's kind of small. But what'd you find? Oh, you like that one?
Yeah. It's kind of thin. It's cute.
As you can see here, this store is tiny. It is tiny compared to some of the other ones. Like the one in Utopia is huge. But that's what they have here. This is what they have. Got all these magnets here. This store is small. It's crazy small.
Well, it's hard to compare it to the Utopia store that's like 5 or 6 times this size.
Plus they offer really nice stuff.
Yeah. You can buy some good stuff here.
Yeah, there are some, but
it's just different on Utopia.
They had like Vineyard Vine stuff that we bought on there.
Well, it's good that they don't have it here.
Oh, that's true. We'd blow more money. So this is like the top that we got at Lookout Key from Disney. This is $80. So it has a 3/4 zip. Same kind of material. Feels the same. It's kind of expensive though. They do have these Royal Caribbean polos that I actually have, and they're pretty nice. Here's some of the hats. Okay, so just to give you guys an idea, this hat here cost $24.95. So yeah, I'd imagine the rest of these are about that cost.
Is this formal night worthy?
Yeah, how much is that?
$100.
$100 for that thing? It's nice.
It's heavy.
Nice. Here's a couple of t-shirts for Harmony of the Seas. Actually, how much are these t-shirts? T-shirt is $29.95.
Two for
they got
$40.
a couple more over here. Oh, 2 for $40. Ship tees and hats, so you can mix and match. Cool. Some of the mugs and cups, tumblers. So, oh, and this, like I mentioned, has Starbucks, so you can also get the mug from Starbucks. The, what series is it again? Been There
Yeah,
series.
I think
So yeah, Starbucks section next door. And you can even buy the Messi jersey here on Harmony of the Seas. And we've seen it on most other Royal Caribbean cruise ships, but so you know, they do offer the Messi jersey here on Harmony. And if you're a ship model collector like I am, for $64.95, they have them here, along with keychains and ornaments. As I mentioned, here are the Been There series ones at Starbucks. Okay, so we went ahead and got some packing out of the way, and now we're gonna go find some lunch. Where are we going again? I forgot.
it's called Mini Bites.
Mini Bites.
But it's El Loco Fresh, I believe is the
Okay, and that's all the way up deck.
pool deck 15.
Pool deck on 15. After 15. Okay, so we abandoned this El Loco Fresh place because the line's way too long and it wasn't moving. So off to the Solarium Bistro. Solarium Bistro was definitely the right call. No line.
So much more relaxing.
And I got rice, this barbecue chicken, and some beef and broccoli. So
And I went for the chicken, tilapia, and some vegetables.
similar. Mine's just less green. Yeah, good call here.
Yeah.
So if you're looking for a buffet on the cruise ship, specifically here on Harmony of the Seas or any of the Oasis ships actually, just go to the Solarium Bistro. Windjammers, freaking crowded. Bumping elbows, fighting for food. But Solarium Bistro, there's hardly anyone here. It's just really laid back and calm. One caveat though is that you do have to be 18 and up, so just like the rest of the Solarium. But if you are, just come up here for a buffet. It's all included.
Here on Harmony of the Seas, the Solarium Bistro is open for the buffet, for breakfast and lunch. They do have a reservation recommended for dinner. It does not cost anything additional unless you get like a premium offering similar to what they do in the dining room. That's something that we have not done, but would be worth looking into if you're just not feeling going into the main dining room, or if you were looking for a different option. And something of note is on Allure of the Seas, for dinner, Solarium Bistro turns into Samba, which is an additional cost and is a true specialty restaurant. It just uses the Solarium Bistro venue.
Well, afternoon coffee at Starbucks. By the way, you can't use your drink package here or your, say, diamond and up credits.
Thank you.
All right, Starbucks secured. Last night in the main dining room, here's the Bon Voyage menu. Appetizer, Caesar salad is. Man, I've been getting this thing every day in the
7
dining
nights.
room.
Well, I guess we've been here in the dining room for 5 nights. So 5 out of 5 nights in the dining room for Michael.
Yeah, and what you got there? A shrimp cocktail?
Shrimp cocktail. I was looking at the tapas medley, but couldn't pass up on.
Actually, the guy to your right got it. It looks good.
Oh yeah. I just couldn't pass up on a shrimp cocktail.
Last night. Entree. So this is what I was talking about the other day. This is the steak with a chimichurri sauce that I was talking about the other day. And then here.
So this is the pecan crusted salmon, sans pecans. But I got this on Utopia, and these potatoes with this sauce on it were delicious. So I'm excited.
Okay, desserts here. And I got actually, we both got the crema catalina. Is that what this is?
It's either Catalina or Catalana. I can't remember.
Now, we
It might
looked
be
this
Catalina.
up the other day because you got it on Utopia, but you said the difference between this and creme brulee is something.
One of them has heavy cream.
We'll have to look it up and put it down below again because we don't remember.
I get confused. This is the Spanish version.
And good, huh?
I think it's a little bit sweeter than creme brulee.
Yeah. Went to a nice show.
Hope it buys you flowers. I hope it holds your hand.
And then apparently the ice skaters picked songs that they liked. We had to see Columbus again. It was really good. We saw this in November 23 on Harmony, and it was awesome. Seen Grease so many times, skipped that. Okay, so if you remember, last time on Utopia Seas, we said that the main theater had a different vibe. This one does too. It's not as ornate, but it's still a little old school, in my opinion. I don't know if it's the color of the wood or what, but it still looks a little old. What do you guys think? Yeah, someone actually brought a beach ball in here. There he goes, there he goes. Oh, crap. Just pelted someone with it. Oh. Oh, man. There we go. Wonder how long this is going to be until someone actually takes it away. This is very strange because the show just stopped within like a minute of it starting. Experiencing technical difficulties apparently.
Yeah, it's taking a while to figure it out.
This happened to us last time we saw.
At the end of the show.
But this is like, and I thought it was at intermission that time. No. This is a little weird. So it appears that platform was supposed to lower all the way down to those set of steps. And I don't know, they're about 3 feet off. That's no worky. Well, that sucked. I really like this show too. That super sucks. Oh well. Until next time. Actually, someone sitting right next to us said, "Oh, guess what's captured on YouTube?" So maybe it is on YouTube. We need to find out.
Well, with that, our 7-night cruise has
So-
come to an end.
It's over. It's over. It was a little long, in my opinion. We've been so used to like a 3, 4, 5-night cruise, and 7 is just pushing it.
Yeah, but it is nice to have more of the family or like leisurely cruising atmosphere versus the like party
Yeah.
3-day weekend type atmosphere. So it was a welcome change in that aspect, but yeah, maybe a day or two long.
But overall, it was a good cruise. Harmony of Seas is a beautiful ship.
Yes. Finally feel like we've given an Oasis class ship justice by spending more than 3 or 4 nights on board.
Yeah. 4 nights was the longest we've ever spent on an Oasis class ship. And in fact, it was this ship.
November of 2030,
Yeah,
I believe.
a while ago. So,
But it was great. Had a great dinner tonight.
yeah, met some good people that sat next to us
Yeah.
the whole week at dinner, and it's first time, visiting with them, and
Yeah.
it was good. It was a good conversation. But overall, again, great cruise. We didn't stop in where we Costa Maya. Unfortunately, didn't stop there, but we were going to get off anyways. Roatan was good for the first time. Cozumel. Been there way too many times probably, but
Our next cruise
next
is one
cruise.
that we have done before, but it's a new ship for us. We'll be aboard the Valiant Lady from Virgin Voyages. Enjoying Virgin Voyages again.
I'm excited. I
So-
love Virgin.
Yeah, he does.
So-
He's become very opinionated when it comes to cruises that are not Virgin. So he's looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it. And we will see you guys soon.
See ya.